Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some super exciting updates from Samsung. For all you tech enthusiasts out there, Samsung has teased not one but two incredible mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A36 5G and Galaxy A56. These devices are shaping up to be game changers, bringing premium features to the mid-range segment. So, grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore all the juicy details. Let's kick things off with the Galaxy A36 5G. Samsung recently confirmed the existence of this phone through a listing on their official support website. While the listing didn't reveal much in terms of specs or design, it did confirm the model number and dual SIM support, which is always a handy feature. The presence of warranty details and links to related articles hints that this phone might hit the market very soon. It's clear that Samsung is gearing up for a major launch, and we can't wait to see what's in store. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy A56, which also made an appearance, this time on Samsung France's official support page. Just like the A36 5G, this listing confirmed dual SIM functionality and gave us the model number, SMA566BDS. While detailed specs weren't shared, the timing of these listings strongly suggests that both devices might launch together, and soon. If rumors hold true, we're looking at a potential March release for both models. Exciting, isn't it? Flagship features, mid-range price. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A56 is its incredible battery and charging capabilities. Samsung is equipping this mid-range phone with a massive 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, the same as the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's right, a mid-range phone with flagship-level charging power. This is a huge deal for anyone who values performance without spending flagship-level money. Connectivity and software, a new standard for mid-range phones. When it comes to connectivity, Samsung isn't holding back. The Galaxy A56 supports everything from 5G NR to 2G GSM, ensuring seamless connectivity no matter where you are. It'll also run Android 15 with Samsung's latest One UI 7, offering a smooth and modern user experience. Additionally, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6E make this phone a connectivity powerhouse. Samsung is truly raising the bar for mid-range smartphones with these features. Samsung is also bringing advanced AI-powered features to these A-series models, borrowing technology from their flagship lineup. While we don't have official renders or a full spec sheet yet, the leaks and teasers have already given us a lot to be excited about. These phones are all set to redefine what mid-range devices can do, making them a fantastic option for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. So, there you have it, everything we know so far about the Galaxy A36 5G and A56. From flagship-level charging to top-notch connectivity, these devices are shaping up to be fantastic additions to Samsung's A-series lineup. What do you think about these upcoming phones? Are they worth the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Vision Tech for more tech news and updates. Also, click that bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.